welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Uthando Nesthembu. So today is Musa's 50th birthday. Everything is beautiful, the decor, the venue. Apparently uMangwabe is the one who was organizing the event. Aqale ke ukufika ama-guests between 4 and 5 p.m. and then Umsele arrived around 5 p.m. only to find that none of his wives are there, not even a single one. That is disappointing and it's disrespectful because they were supposed to be there before him because umcimbi wakhe. But Jabamhlonipi, they are in charge, they call the shots. And then afike uMayeni around 10 past 5 and followed by uMacele around 20 past 5. And then uMangwabe noMakhumalo, they are nowhere to be found. Balinde. Until uMakhumalo figure around 8:30. Athi she does not believe that she's late because she needed to look beautiful and a very Mthombeni, if you arrive after him then you are late. So, and then Mangwabe arrives around 9:15, saying she had a lot to do. She had to go fetch his family, and it's a distance from Mzumbe to her family's house, and that her dress was not ready. She had to wait for a dress. So, and then event they got introduced. uMakhumalo noMangwabe, they were introduced in the absentia. Imindeni yabo ikhona ke, umndeni kaCele is there, wakaMayeni. uMakhumalo, her parents were there, and then umndeni kaMangwabe. And then athi uMthombeni uMayeni kuyafana nje nokuthi akunamuntu because uze nje namantombazana, the elders are not there. It shows ukuthi uMayeni does not value them in their life. That's why nje the elders are not there. And then banikeza ama-speech, they were representative from each family of the 4 wives. And then banikeza ama-speech and babhiyoze. It was nice, it was beautiful. All the kids were there, all Mthombeni's kids were there, happy and looking beautiful. Also Umsele again, and he doesn't believe the reason uMangwabe was late is because of fetching a family and because of a dress that was not ready. So the party continues. The kids start giving speeches. Aqale uAbongwe, she gave a beautiful speech. Khulumeka mnandi ngobaba wakhe. She wrote a very heartwarming speech. It melted into Mthombeni's heart. Etinje is grateful for babakhe. He does everything and beyond for them. And Mthombeni was very happy. He just melted his heart. He was not expecting it. And then amnikeza ke gift uAbongwe, they hugged. And then it was Mnini's turn. I made Mnini with confidence, greeting everyone. And then the next thing, he got emotional and started crying. uMpumelelo noLwande there to come take him off the stage. Wemhlalisa phansi and give him water. And then uMpumelelo takes the mic, starts talking and say ukuthi babona nje umnini emotional kanje. It's because of everything that they went through as a family. Umnini kubona babakhe egula, he went to see him in hospital. That's why I think he's still suffering from that picture of seeing his dad not well. So that's why he's crying. And then he started talking, saying that he did not prepare a speech. He was not planning to speak. But then just that he had to take over from Mnini since he's crying. Aqala ke akhulume uMpumelelo. First it was like uza kahle. The jiggy uMpumelelo starts going off track. He says ukuthi there are things in the family. There's a lot that's going on in the Mseleko household. Bamangale nje abantu ukuthi what's going on. So ukhuluma ngani ke uMpumelelo? Athi nje Abongwe, some things will have been left out. Athi uSinewe yazi uMpumelelo manje usuyabheda angazi ukuthi usukhuluma ngani. Umseleko naye yathi uyazi uMpumelelo should not even be talking about these things. Usuphuma endleleni. And then he proceeds to say yena nje uyiBhubezi is the lion of the family. Everyone is shocked, thinking how a lion of the family Bhubezi kanjani. Athi uMacele maybe nje kubo ujwayele nje njalo ukuthi uyiBhubezi la kubo hayi la. And then athi uMangwabe yena hey yazi indaba yamaBhubezi yena akayazi. Hayi achubeke uMpumelelo abhede ke sefuna ukukhuluma imfihlo zemndeni, saying there are things that are happening in the family that he is not happy about. Athi umseleko yazi uyabheda uMpumelelo. Inkinga kaMpumelelo athi he said something that some of the things that are not going well in the family just happened on that very same night at the party. It's probably referring to the wives coming to the party late, uMangwabe noMakhumalo. We don't know. We just think so. And then athi umseleko inkinga mpumela, he wants to be him, he wants to be ufuna ukuba uyena, agcine sefuna ngathi ufuna ukucontrol amakhosikazi wakhe, and he cannot control his moms. They're the ones who are supposed to scold him, not the other way around. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.